All right, here's a couch. I'm going to touch this up. It's a couch that's in good condition, but I'm going to touch it up to give it more of a shine, to give it more of a new look. So, here you go. Get a little look at the couch. So I'm going to do a couch and a love seat. It's a two-seater. It's right there.
Dad, I'll go help
No,
you.
no, out of the way, out of the way.
I'll do help you.
You're helping me by staying out of the way. I'm doing this, and I'm going to do the two chairs.
I want to take a picture of me.
We're gonna take pictures of you.
You should probably do that once they leave. They're gonna.
No, I'm doing this right now.
Dad,
Video's on.
Dad, you're talking to me? You're talking to me, Dad? Huh? You're talking to me? Huh?
You'll start noticing the shine instantly.
Ew, yucky. It's Lola here, Mike. It's Lola here. Daddy, look, Dad.
Come here, Lily.
Yeah. Okay, Mommy.
Not only does it shine, but it cleans it also. This is dark, so you can't see if it's dirty or not. But if you have a lighter leather or vinyl, it will actually clean it as it's shining it because it's restoring it.
I'll just sit down and take a picture of me.
Make sure you get around the edges also.
Mommy, look.
If someone's paying you to do their furniture, they don't want you to just shine the front and the back of it's all not taken care of, dirty, or dusty, dull. Be shine in the front and dull in the back, or stains. Then, when I finish doing this one, I'm going to do the other one, but you can see from the before and after actually of this. And then when you look from this to the next one, you see how much more this is shining than the next one before I do it. armrest underneath, around the side of it. Depending on what's the back made of. If the back is the same like this, the back is the same as leather, the back has to get done also. Mm-hmm.
You've been talking about oh, oh, that with that noise. That with that noise.
It's the couch. Parts where you see there's creases, you have to make sure you get in there good. Because if you don't, you'll see like light patches where it's shine and then dull. You don't want that. If someone pays you, or if you pay someone to do that, you definitely don't want to see that. If you do it yourself, then you still want it to look good. You go over it to make sure that spots that you may have missed, especially like right now I'm going back and forth, so I may actually start somewhere different than where I last stopped and in essence miss a spot. But if you want to make sure you don't miss a spot, you can easily just like go over where you last was at. So that you make sure you didn't miss a spot. Similar to how if you have cut hair before, you go a little bit over where you last went and come on. And for anyone who's cut grass, same concept. You go over part of where you already hit so that you can get the beginning of the new spot. And off to that. I went over that like that. Now, the next side, hit the back and then go over the front. over. Make sure them little creases, and you see the stitch. You want to make sure there's parts of the stitch that's taken care of, so that you don't have that spots missed within the stitch. Okay. Now, look at that. Now, just to show you that it's, make a comparison, show the one that I haven't touched yet, so that you can see, if you don't remember, good condition, good quality, but it isn't as shiny as this one. This one's looking like it's in the furniture store. Now we have to touch this one up. And it's not only to make it look good, it actually protects it. So, spilling stuff over it. It's not like this is in the weather, but look at this family of deer. There's 6 of them right here.
They were back here. They were back here.
Oh. Look at that. Look at that. Now you can really see it. Fine. Touching one and not. Size touch, size not. See the difference already. He used this to coat, clean, and protect car seats also. Still, with leather and vinyl, doesn't matter whether it's your couch or it's your Cadillac. To move on to the rest of it.
What's that, Mom? What's that? What's that, Mom? What's touching, Mom? What's touching, Mom? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. Mom, that's a number 6.
Sit. Sit.
And that's 9. Oh, that's not a number 6. Oh, look at number 19. Look, number 7. Number 7. What's number 7? And one more. Number 5.
Hello.
Hey, I'm doing a video. Johnny. Hey, Lola.
That's 1 plus 1.
No.
Mama, look.
Yeah.
Look, Mama.
I see.
Mama, look.
Yeah, you did. All of that.
That's been tied to the phone. Mom, I told you. Oh. Baby back. What? Baby back. We coffee. We coffee.
See? Looking new. And He smells good. So you have your furniture looking and smelling at its best. So when company come over, look like you just got some new furniture. Like, yo, don't sit on my good stuff. Don't sit on my good stuff. Gotta bring the fold-out chairs for you, all right? Put some plastic on it, like the old school. Look at that. Once again. Once again. Even from the side. Shining. Like a new diamond. It's another one. But you know I do it. For your car, for your home. Vinyl, leather. I showed you the chairs before, the suede chairs. Now you have the leather couch and love seat. And I showed you a sectional that I did that wasn't leather. So you know I do the leather, I do fabric, do suede. I do it. Later.